This is Mrs. Munoz with an example for the stoichiometry mole-to-mole practice. And we're going to do example 1 together. So I've already filled in the coefficients for the balanced equation, and we are doing those together in class. It's going to be on a Jamboard, and you should find that link connected to this assignment. And so if you look at example 1, you will see that there's some given information in the question. We've got 2.3 moles of nitrogen given. This part here that says excess hydrogen gas, that's actually just extra information. You don't even really need to use that. And then the question is, how many moles of ammonia will be formed? So that's the question that we're trying to get to. So we are going to be starting with 2.3 moles of nitrogen, and you're going to have a drop-down menu here, and so you'll have 3 options. You want to pick the one that matches your given. So we'll pick 2.3 moles of N2. It will turn green if you're right. We know that moles of N2 have to cancel, so it's going to be on the bottom. And this is going to where you're also going to have your coefficient with it. So moles of N2 should also have a number 1 with it because its coefficient is 1. So if we use our drop-down menu, 1 mole of N2 is an option. And then since they're asking us for moles of ammonia, moles of NH3, that's going to go on the top. NH3 has a 2 with it. And so that's what our top is going to be, 2 moles of NH3. And then when we do our dimensional analysis, we'll multiply the top, divide the bottom. We'll do 2.3 times 2 divided by 1. That math works out to be 4.6. We'll type that in the first box. It'll turn green if you're right. And then your second box actually has a drop-down menu. You want that to match whatever the question is asking for. And it's also going to match whatever you end with. So moles of NH3, moles of NH3, both of those and are moles of NH3, and that's what your answer should be. And just a little pointer, if you want to be able to see this whole question, if you do Control and the minus key, it'll make your screen smaller, and Control and the plus key, it'll make your screen bigger. If you start out at 100%, you won't be able to see that whole question. And so I do Control and the minus key until I'm able to see that whole screen, the whole question. So I don't have to move the scroll down here, and I can see it all at once. Just a little pointer, maybe something that you want to use. But that's how you do those questions. It should go pretty quickly. Once you get the hang of it, you will have 10 of those to do for this assignment.